Being attacked by a dog is a frightening experience that often leaves the dog bite victim confused about their legal options. Certain dog bite injuries can result in significant medical expenses and may even cause disfigurement that lasts for the remainder of the victim's life. The first step that any victim should take after being bitten by a dog is to get medical attention. This is true even when a dog bite does not appear to have resulted in an injury. Failure to treat dog bites promptly can result in possible infections or other consequences. Identify the dog and its owner. When a dog's owner's identity is not immediately apparent to a dog bite victim, the victim should be sure to report the incident to the police. Victims should also contact authorities when the owner of the dog is uncommunicative following the attack. If possible, they should try to take a picture of the dog. Document everything. As soon as you are injured by a dog, be certain to take pictures of your injuries if at all possible. The outward appearance of your wounds will heal over time, so it may be beneficial to have photographic evidence of the true nature of your injuries at the time of the attack. Also, be sure to save all medical bills relating to the treatment of your dog bite injury. Write down any medications you are taking and observations from any treatment or therapy sessions. More severe cases may require weeks or even months of treatment and rehabilitation. It is important to make sure you receive the recommended care so you can heal properly. Contact a Texas dog bite lawyer. If you or a loved one suffers serious injuries in a dog attack in Texas, do not speak to any insurance company about your incident until you have legal representation. The dog bite attorneys at Fleming Law, PC help victims and their families across the greater Houston area. You can have our attorneys provide a complete evaluation of your case when you call us or contact us online. Fleming Law can work to help you pursue the compensation you need to recover from your injuries. Call 469-414-9082 or visit FlemingAttorneys.com for a free case evaluation.